Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the nation. Here are the headlines. NGO Hindu Front for Justice moves Supreme Court for registration of FIR in the Ram Navami violence case in West Bengal. Rahul Gandhi granted bail from Surat Sessions Court in defamation case for Modi remark. Mumbai Sessions Court upholds magistrate order to discharge Shilpa Shetty in obscenity case with Richard Gere. All district bar associations in Delhi to refrain from work till April 9th in light of murder of advocate Virender Narwal. Jharkhand High Court directs state government and ED to furnish status report of investigation against CM Hemant Soren. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. Seeking the intervention of the Supreme Court in the Ram Navami violence case of West Bengal, an NGO, Hindu Front for Justice, moved the apex court for registration of FIRs in incidents of violence in different parts of the country on occasion of Ram Navami. The petition also seeks protection for Hindu religious processions taken out on Ram Navami and other religious occasions, in light of rising cases of violence against Hindus. A bench headed by Justice K.M. Joseph expressed concern over states not taking action against hate speeches and said that the state has become impotent and powerless. A sessions court in Surat, Gujarat, granted bail to Congress leader Rahul Gandhi in the defamation case filed against him by Purnesh Modi for his "Why all thieves share Modi surname" remark. The next hearing in the case is scheduled for April 13th. This is the same case that led to the disqualification of Gandhi as a member of parliament after he was convicted and sentenced for 2 years by the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate on March 23rd. A sessions court in Mumbai upheld an order passed by the magistrate court, which discharged actor Shilpa Shetty in the obscenity case against her, after she was kissed publicly by Hollywood actor Richard Gere at an event in 2007 meant to spread awareness about HIV/AIDS. Both the actors were charged with sections 292, 293 and 294 of the Indian Penal Code and under the provisions of IT Act and Indecent Representation of Women Prohibition Act. Shilpa was discharged from the Court of Metropolitan Magistrate in the case in January 2022, after which a revision petition was filed in the Sessions Court, which has upheld the order of the magistrate. All district bar associations of Delhi that went on to refrain from work on April 3rd, 2023 have decided to continue their protest and further refrain from work till April 9th in the light of the brutal daylight murder of advocate Virender Narwal, who was shot dead by 2 bikers in Dwarka, where he practiced. The bar associations demand speedy investigation in the case and, expressing concern over threat to life and limb of advocates, also demand that the government brings in Advocates Protection Act. A division bench of the Jharkhand High Court comprising Chief Justice Sanjay Kumar Mishra and Justice Anand Sen directed the state government and the Enforcement Directorate to furnish a status report with regards to the investigation conducted against Chief Minister Hemant Soren in the mining lease case. There were reports of a mining plot in Angara leased in the name of the CM and was granted in favor of the CM while he held the portfolio of the Mines Department. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.